What's up? In this video, I will show you how to install Netbeans IDE on Windows computer. Okay, let's get started. Go to this download page and click the download button right here to download the IDE. Okay, and if you are using another operating system, Mac or Linux, you can click the specific link here, the specific installer. And since I am using Windows, I'll select the first one, the Windows installer, and download that. And let's install the IDE. All right, and open this installer. And yes. All right, and this window will show after opening the installer. You can also customize the installation and click on cancel since I am going to install all of these, and click on next, accept the terms in the license agreement, click on next, and select the installation directory for your IDE. And if there is a JDK installed on your computer, you can select the path here, click on next, and check for updates if you want to check for updates, and click on install. Let's wait for the installation is complete. All right, it's installing the IDE, the Java SE. Uploading Apache Netbeans IDE installation. All right, installation completed successfully. Click on finish, and let's run the IDE. Okay, and that's it. Let's try creating a new Java application, a simple Java application. And let's use the ant build and click on Java application next. And this is gonna be simple application, simple app. Create main class, click on finish. And let's try printing hello world at the console, and S out for the shortcut for system out at println. Press on tab, and that's it. And hello world. Wait, what? Hello worlds, okay. And let's run the program. Yes, that's it. That's how you install and run a simple application in Netbeans. So I hope you learned something new in this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I will see you in the next video.